Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find the IMEI number of your iPhone. Now if you want to find the IMEI number of your iPhone and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to find an IMEI number on iPhone is the first one is the most easiest method of all of it. So the thing is, you just need to open settings on your iPhone. From settings, here you will see various options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and cockpit. So click on the options general, and under general you will see the option of about, software update, iPhone storage, Apple care and warranty. So click on the first option of about, and here you will be able to see the name of your iPhone, model name, model number, serial number, and all of it. So if you scroll down at the very bottom, here you will be able to see the EID number, and IMEI number, MIMEI number, all of it from here. So this is the first step of doing it, and the next step which you can do is that you simply open the phone on your device, and you may also give it a call to #06#. So you may simply call this number, and you will be able to see the IMEI number on the screen itself. And on the older version of the phone or the older models of the phone, you may open the SIM tray, and sometimes the IMEI also may be printed over there, so you may also check it from there. So that's it. That's how you can find the IMEI of your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.